Hello, welcome to my channel Trax and Excavatrices RC. I wanted to present my new trax carson in the assembling, and thank you to Fabien for assembling my LR carson. I have different function. For the hydraulic liembach. Thank you to Technimodel. And this basic carson kits. It's not totally assembling because for the moment I have just function. I have an LED read for the function man in batteries and LED's carson. And well, okay, go to test this. Gartner MC20. Okay, go. You push on this. And different program in my radio. On hydraulic function, this pump is controlled by radio and program for the pump on or off. Very good.